How to connect T-Mobile home internet to TV. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to connect the T-Mobile home internet to TV. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the solutions. For that, there are some steps you need to follow. Step number 1 is setting up your T-Mobile home internet device. So for that, go ahead and power on and ensure that your T-Mobile home internet is powered on and connected to the internet. After that, locate the network information. You can go ahead and find up the Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and your password usually printed on the device itself. Locate your network information. On step number 2, you need to connect your TV to Wi-Fi. For that, you can go ahead and access the TV settings. On your remote, press the menu or the home button to access the settings menu on your TV. After that, navigate to the network settings option. That may vary from TV brand but should be labeled something like network or Wi-Fi settings. After that, look for your T-Mobile Wi-Fi network name, SSID from the list of available networks, and then input the Wi-Fi password when prompted to enter it. This is the same password that you also found on your T-Mobile device. You just need to go ahead and enter it. After that, confirm the connection and your TV should now be connected to the T-Mobile home internet. After that is done, try testing it, try accessing a streaming app to ensure the connection is working properly again. And that is it. That is how you connect up your T-Mobile home internet to TV. You can just follow up the methods that I just showed you, that I just told you right now, and that is it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.